आपको दिखाते हैं मुंबई से।
अगले चरण पर, और वो चरण है आज FCT यानी द फोर्थ कंटेनर टर्मिनल की आधारशिला एंड से। वैसे प्रधानमंत्री जी का संस्कृत में स्वागत करते हुए मुझे कोई हिचक नहीं होती है, क्योंकि गीता के एक चतुर्थांश श्लोक से आपकी जीवन शैली वर्णित होती है, और वो है योगः कर्मसु कौशलम। A job accomplished to excellence is the highest reward in itself. Ladies and gentlemen, JNPT is the only port in India that features in the world's 50 top-ranking container ports. Now, considering its expanse of activities and efficiency standards, JNPT occupies a place of pride in India's infrastructure. Let us watch a short video that encompasses its present and its plans. The JNPT video. JNPT, where the sun never sets. Every moment brings with it a promise as powerful as the sunrise to create new initiatives. For the past 6 years, JNPT is on Mission Endless to make itself India's economic gateway. JNPT believes in setting new benchmarks, blazing new trails in technological innovation and administrative excellence. Working with the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to build India as an export powerhouse, JNPT is an integral part of Sagarmala initiative of the Shipping Ministry, which aims at port-led development in coastal areas. Currently, 42% of India's total container cargo is handled by JNPT. Our cargo handling expertise makes us India's best business support. To march towards 10 million TEUs, our future projects include 330-meter standalone container terminal, mooring dolphin, 2 dry ports at Wardha and Jalna, a satellite port at Vardwan Point near Dahanu with a natural draft of 20 meters, and the 4th container terminal. To make the rupees 7,915 crore 4th container terminal at par with the best in the world, JNPT has awarded the project to PSA International, who will bring in their global expertise. All this is in keeping with our vision to be among the top 15 ports of the world. Besides ensuring Make in India a success, JNPT has taken a step to develop the Chahbahar port project at Iran. This will enhance trade relations between India and Iran. To streamline and rationalize cargo movement within the port, JNPT has taken a new initiative of inter-terminal transfer of tractor-trailers. Removing congestion through inter-terminal transfer saves 7.5 kilometers in a single round, resulting in optimal utilization of resources. Further, to boost exports and to ensure that the Make in India mission is a success, JNPT has taken yet another step towards making India a global manufacturing hub by envisaging JNPT SEZ. Planned as a self-sustainable integrated development project, it will be built on 277 hectares, aiming to attract investments to the tune of rupees 3,500 crore, generating over 1.5 lakh direct and indirect jobs. To make JNPT the most accessible port in India, various connectivity projects have been undertaken, like The 6 to 8 lane highway implemented by the SPV consisting of NHAI, SIDCO and JNPT at an estimated cost of rupees 2,936 crore, which will absorb high capacity of traffic and facilitate efficiency. A dedicated freight corridor by the Ministry of Railways. JNPT will have an equity participation in a new company formed by the Shipping Ministry to develop port rail projects. Additionally, JNPT has plans for supporting infrastructure projects such as centralized parking plaza with auto repair zone and customs setup. To add to the customer convenience and simplify tasks, JNPT has introduced e-initiatives which are in consonance with the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's Digital India mission. Some of them are elimination of Form 13 and Form 11 and introduction of e-form, automated issuance of delivery orders for shipping lines, online portal with tariffs of container freight stations and shipping lines on all services provided, leading to more transparency. Pre-berthing meeting done away with e-berthing facility. Single window for information, making doing business a lot easier. Along with our e-initiatives, we have also achieved reduction of 2.5 hours in liquid cargo terminal. To enhance the skill set of employees, JNPT has tied up with the Port of Antwerp to set up the JNPT APAC Port Training Center in Navi Mumbai under the aegis of Ministry of Shipping. Also, setting up training centers with SIDCO and others will enable natives to take up jobs in the SEZ and Navi Mumbai areas. Under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Nitin Gadkari, Indian ports will soon be eco-conscious. 150 megawatts of solar power plants are set to be established across India, of which JNPT alone will account for 25 megawatts. This, along with the ongoing initiatives for a clean and green seaport, will help realize the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan vision of our Honorable Prime Minister.
टीम इंडिया की सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जन जन को छूने वाली कोई बात है वो स्वच्छता का अभियान।
In conclusion, JNPT is committed to be an efficiency-led, productivity-driven port that will be at the center of India's blue economy, making waves across the world. JNPT, the world docks here.
No wonder our shipping minister is also called Nitin Nirnay Gadkari, because he's a very fast decision maker. Ladies and gentlemen, no economy can succeed without a vibrant industry, and industry needs a robust infrastructure. और हमारे बुनियादी ढांचे को और भी मजबूत बनाएगा JNPT का चौथा कंटेनर टर्मिनल। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से अनुरोध है कि आप शिलान्यास विधि संपन्न करें। इसमें निवेश होगा लगभग 8,000 करोड़ रुपए, 2 चरणों में निर्माण होगा। दिसंबर 2017 और दिसंबर 2022 तक पूर्ण होगा। इससे क्षमता में बढ़ोतरी होगी। 48 लाख TEUs यानी 4.8 million 20-foot equivalent units. Berth या quay length will increase by 2,000 meters, almost 2 kilometers. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all thank, congratulate JNPT, the entire Ministry of Shipping, Shri Nitin Gadkari, and above all, the Chief Well-Wisher and Chief Executive of India, Shri Narendra Modi. Thank you indeed for sparing some time. आपकी उपस्थिति की वजह से इस अभियान को बल मिला है। May the force be with our Prime Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, you're requested to be in your seats until the Prime Minister's flight takes.
तो सीधी तस्वीरें आप मुंबई से देख रहे थे, जहां पर प्रधानमंत्री ने जवाहरलाल नेहरू पोर्ट ट्रस्ट के चौथे टर्मिनल की आधारशिला रखी है।